Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can combine and blend photos in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template. Now we are going to add some pictures, so I am going to the elements and here I am searching for a beach image, right? So as you can see there are lots of photos, we are going to see all, right? And now we are just going to add some of the images. For example, I am just adding this image and I am setting it as a background, and now I am adding one more page, and here I am just searching for a woman image, right? For example, this image. Now set this image as background and we need to move this in here, or we can simply zoom it more, right? Some more. Okay, done. Now what we are going to do is, like, we are going to search for gradient in the elements. Okay, we are coming out of the photos and here we are going to search for gradient graphics. So there are gradient graphics. Let me select this one. Now I will rotate it to 90-degree. Okay, and now what we need to do is we just need to select this gradient, press Alt from the keyboard and keep pressing, right? Don't leave the Alt and just move your cursor to just duplicate this gradient, right? And your gradient would get duplicated in such manner. So I have adjusted it. Now I'm just duplicating it. Don't duplicate in such a manner that it becomes awkward, right? Okay, you can duplicate here as well if you think it is required. Done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this gradient in this image also, right? And now I'm going to rotate it back to 90-degree and we are going to place it over here, and then again Alt and okay, done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to download both of the images, right? So I'm going to click on share, download, and here I will uncheck this transparent background and only current page is required, and I will click on download, then save. Similarly, I will download this image as well. So I have clicked on share, download, front page. Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to blend both of the images, right? So we are going to create a new page and here we are going to click on upload files. We have selected both the files together. Now I have selected the first one. Now I have selected the second one. I will reduce the transparency. It's done, right? Now I will simply click on share, download, and I will download this image only. So I have selected current page, clicked on download. Now I will add one more page, right? I have saved this image into my system. Now I will upload this image as well. Okay, open. Now we have selected this image and we are again going to fit this image in the template. Now we are going to click on edit and here you will find this adjust option, right? We need to increase the saturation, we need to decrease the brightness, we need to increase the contrast. Okay, so your image is ready. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.